It's May 24th in beautiful Colorado, and we're going hiking today. And there's even some snow.
It's snowding.
Woo! Gonna go for some brook trout in a tiny creek. So stoked. Got kind of snowy out there, a little bit wet. We're taking shelter under this little bathroom. Perfect. Real jigs. Oh. You got one? Oh, yeah, bring him up. Oh, yeah, that was awesome. Let's get the net ready. Nice, Rach. Nice. I kind of keep it down in there. Yeah. Oh, you got one. Oh, man, I saw him come up and eat it right at the edge. Look at all these fish jumping right here. This is insane. Oh, I got one, I got one, I got him. On the fly rod, yeah. I hardly ever catch fish on the fly in like lakes and ponds. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, he's so small. Mm-hmm. He's really small. Yeah.
Oh my god. Let me see him. Hi.
Popped right out.
Oh, they're my favorite. Wait, where are my gloves?
I'll put it back. They're in my backpack. Bye, buddy.
Ben.
Oh, there he goes. Look at him. Look at him. He's confused. Look at him. Look at him, Rach. Look at him. Look at him.
Where'd he go?
Look at him. Do you see him? He's spinning circles.
If they're that small, I'm not going to pitch them.
Oh, I got another one. I got, oh. I know, my hands are chilly. I had another one there. Keep your rod tip up because it's pretty shallow out there. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, you got him again. He came back. That was the one that just jumped. That was cool.
Is that a fish?
It's very shallow right there. Got him on the dry fly. Or no, I thought he was going for the dry fly, but he wasn't. Do you want to try the fly rod, Rach? Not on the dry fly. Ah, he's kind of small to keep though. Too small. Oh, the colors are beautiful though.
Oh, so cute. Oh, it's Nemo fins. Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna go put it back. I'm just gonna kiss him.
Oh,
Put him back.
Good job, Ben.
Thanks, Rach. You want to try the fly rod?
Sure.
I try to go a little further, maybe to the right. Sorry. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Nicely done. There he is. There he is. Yep. Oh, I'm in the water. It's so cold. Did he come off?
Blew off.
Got him. Oh, come on. It's really small. Super small fish, but really nice, pretty. goes. Oh. Oh, I got him. Oh. Did he eat the dry? What did he eat? Oh, he's all tangled. I don't even know what he ate. He got so tangled. Another little brookie, very small. There he goes. You got him, you got, oh, yeah. I got one. I should give you the fly rod, maybe. He's a little small to keep. Nice little brookie. Pretty color. Hey, bud. Nice. Oh. Yep.
That was cute. You don't touch it.
Well, we got wet out here. Got wet, and it's time to go. We caught a few fish.